Yeah.
My warm greetings to Global Counterterrorism Council on having completed 4 years of impressive existence. Having been associated with GCTC, I am deeply honored to say a few words on this occasion. GCTC, the independent international level think tank, set up with the vision of promoting quality research and in-depth studies about issues like terrorism, human security, cyber security, etc., has made considerable effort to bring the best minds to ideate on key national and international issues that further the cause of peace and global harmony. To draw attention by policy and decision makers at the highest level in the government on defense security, safety, surveillance, and international relations, focusing on prevailing and developing strategies for the future of India and the world. The unique array of GCTC members belonging to different faculties and background, like senior bureaucrats, academicians, officers from the armed forces and paramilitary services, distinguished diplomats, leading researchers, media analysts, parliamentarians, professionals, corporate heads, human rights groups are well placed to deliberate on the root causes of global terrorism and to present effective solutions to the problems faced by the society and the government. The outstanding luminaries on its panel and the invited distinguished guests to discuss on the issues of national security and geopolitics to promote global peace have always made its seminars, webinars thought-provoking and rewarding, especially the series of virtual GCTC Manthan held recently. I am sure that in the coming years, GCTC would gain further traction to address the extremely relevant objectives that it has set up for itself by conducting studies and research in national security of India, especially Naxalite and Maoists related insurgencies, etc., focusing on vulnerable areas and suggest countermeasures in the formation of national security strategy. Carry out studies of international relations with a view to suggest different measures to achieve a stable, secure environment. Promoting awareness and initiating public debate on importance of human security, initiating and facilitating study courses, associate with government departments, promote awareness about cyber terrorism, conduct other activities that may have a bearing on India's unity, integrity, peace and global harmony. India is increasingly threatened by physical and digital disruption, and there is a definite need to enhance awareness. In this context, the Defense and Security Conference, in association with the Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense, being held in the form of a series of webinars from 15th through 18th September 2020 is most apt and timely. I am personally looking forward to be part of the event and to talk on the topic of Make in India, challenges, implications and way forward for the defense industry on September 18th. Global Counterterrorism Council is pursuing its vision to make the world a safer place to inhabit and address the ills of terrorism with all its capacity. On its 5th anniversary, I wish GCTC all the best in its future endeavors. Thank you very much.